Great, that works. It actually would be a little bit easier to read if we reverse the order of these. So if we now if we read it, it says if is awesome and not is lame. And if we change lame to true, that will not allow them in, because we don't let lame people into the club. Okay. Actually, I'll change that to mean. Lame isn't a very good one. We don't want, like, mean people. Okay. Now you can do this with stuff that's not just not words, like the keyword not. You can use the operators that we talked about before. A more common way of doing this is like checking if is awesome is true and is mean not equal to true. So what I did there is I put an exclamation point in front of my equal sign, and that is the operator way of typing not. So this means not equal to true. A little bit harder to read than the word. I wonder if it works like that as well. Probably won't. Yeah, it doesn't like that. We would, in that case, have to type not true. No, that also doesn't work. So what this means is you can't mix your character operators like this with your normal spoken language operators. So if you do it this way, you have to type not equals to true. And this is probably more useful for numbers. So really, you don't want to check for a number, like if you have, say, x, just as a generic number, x equals 10, you don't want to check if x is greater than 5 and x is less than 3. Like, for example, if 4 is the only number you want. Or maybe a better example, greater than 0 and less than 0. For example, if you're doing a division thing, you don't want to divide by 0 because computers just can't handle that. You want to check to make sure your x, whatever that is not 0. This is a really roundabout way of doing it and difficult to read. So what you would do is either you would type the character operator x not equal to 0. Welcome to the Cool Kids Club. I'm getting a little bit off topic with that. Or you can type you can use more parentheses around the outside of that and run that. That's a little bit even of a more difficult way of reading it. Depending on what you prefer, you can either use the not on the outside of the parentheses, or you can use this not operator using the exclamation point and equal sign. Okay, that was it for how to use the not operator in combination with normal Booleans or numbers. I hope you enjoyed it.